Hey everyone, Big Pauly back for a brand new video. Steelbook opening time. Yes, I had a couple of Steelbooks delivered from Zavvi, so let's get into them. Okay, now it does say on the outside of each one which Steelbook it is. I'm not going to bother reading it, so it's going to be a surprise when I open it. So here goes the first one. Where's the flap? Ooh, misses. Oh, yes. Fabulous. Okie dokie. And the first one to come out. Come out, wherever you are. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, baby. We have Scream. The brand new Scream 2022. Or was it 2021? I can't remember. Anyway, I enjoyed this film. A bit bummed I didn't actually buy the Steelbook for the first film because they re-released that. But anyway, yes, there's Scream. So let's unbox it while we're here. We might as well. Rather than a separate unboxing for each Steelbook, we'll do them all in one video. Okay, so first of all, we have the thick J card with the logo at the top there. We have all the specifications down there. Special features, deleted scenes, new blood, bloodlines in the shadow of the master. The Scream 1996, is that 95 or 96 trailer and a filmmaker commentary. So that's pretty good. Fabulous. And the Steelbook. Yeah, that's a very nice looking Steelbook, that is. Okay, so there we go. We all ghost face and with a logo on there. Very nice. And the title, very plain. Of course, if you put this next to the original, you're probably not going to know which is which. And there's ghost face on the back there. Very nice. Yeah, and minty fresh as well. Two discs. We like having 2 discs in a Steelbook. So there is the artwork. And some nice interior artwork as well. Very nice. Unfortunately, we don't get any artwork on the actual discs themselves. There is the Blu-ray. Standard bog silver. And there is the 4K as well. Which also does have Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. So there we go. So that is the Scream 5, really, isn't it? As Zavvi exclusive Steelbook. Fantastic. Okie dokie. So that's that one. So let's do the next one. Let's see if I can get 3 flaps off. Alright, that's 2. That's good. We're getting there. Oh yeah, by the way, the Scream one, it's got the ratings logos down the bottom there, but they're stickers, so they can be removed. What's this one? I can't see what it says. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, it was a toss-up whether or not to get the Steelbook or the actual 4K for this one, but I thought that looks really nice. This is Death on the Nile. Again, I wish I'd bought Murder on the Orient Express Steelbook now when that came out, because I think they match up quite well. Fabulous. So I enjoyed this film as well. Oh dear. Off you get. Very nice. This has got one of those like little pockets, little J pockets. So I think we've just got a bit of minimal glue. Very minimal glue up the top there. And then we can just pull it out, she says. Yes, so there we go. So there is the little J pocket. Very nice. All the information on the back there. Got some special features. Death on the Nile, novel to film. Agatha Christie, travel can be murder. Design on the Nile, Branagh, Poirot. Deleted scenes ×8 and official trailer. Very nice. 7.1.4 Dolby Atmos. Fantastic. And let's have a good look at the old steel. Again, another nice Steelbook. Yes, really nice. I love the colours on that. They just pop. Fantastic. And then we have a really nice logo on the spine and some nice sunset or sunrise, sunset over Egypt. Okay, so 2 discs again. We do get artwork on the discs for this one. Very nice Steelbook. And some nice inside artwork. Yes, so I must try and get my hands on the Murder on the Orient Express Steelbook. I know it's Blu-ray only, but I do like the design on that. There is the Blu-ray. And slightly a little bit of different artwork on the 4K. And there we go. Very nice. Brilliant. So that's 2 for 2 then. There we go. Death on the Nile. And let's get to our third one. Ah, 2 and a bit. Oh, I like the colour of this one already. Oh yeah, oh yeah. This is the 20th anniversary limited edition. This is the Scorpion King. I do have this on 4K already. Not a Steelbook though. And I do have the Mummy movies on the Steelbook, so that's very nice. Never bothered with any of the others of this. I think this is the only Scorpion King Steelbook or Scorpion King movie worth owning. It's a bit of fun. It's not a brilliant film, but it's a bit of light-hearted fun. Okay, so we have a papered slip. Some glue. Yeah, that glue's a bit sticky. Yeah, get off. And yeah, it's just basically the paper one stuck to it. Is that off? Yeah, that's off. Okay, so there we go. So Scorpion King and the 4K logo. 20th anniversary edition. And all the information on the back there. DTS HD Master Audio 5.1. We do have some special features, including a feature commentary with The Rock, feature commentary with director Chuck Russell, outtakes, spotlight on location, the making of Scorpion King, The Rock and Michael Clark Duncan. Fantastic. That is a nice looking Steelbook. I love the colours on that. Very The Mummy. Fantastic. And then we have the spine there, and it all continues round as well, and the back as well. And we've even got artwork on the discs as well. Look at that. That looks fantastic. Some nice interior artwork. And then we have the Blu-ray disc. And the 4K disc as well. Very nice. So there we are. Fantastic. And that is the Scorpion King 4K. Okay, so there we go. So we have the Scorpion King 4K. And we have Death on the Nile on 4K. And we also have Scream 5 or just Scream 4K Steelbook. Very happy with those. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like it by giving it some thumbs up. Blah, 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 blah. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. I'll see you on the next video very soon. Bye bye.